this is Bi-Neh, and today we are going to make a flag cake for Memorial Day. This recipe comes from the Pioneer Woman. So for our ingredients, we have 3 cups of flour, 3 cups of sugar, 6 eggs, 6 1/4 of butter, vanilla, cornstarch, baking soda, salt, and sour cream, not buttercream.
Sour cream, yeah. And your butter is room temp.
Yeah, my brother.
So 2 1/4 sticks. And your eggs too. Awesome. Yes. All right.
So what I'm doing right now is I just added my butter in this bowl. Now I'm going to add my 3 cups of sugar in, and then I'm going to mix it on high speed about a minute or so with my mixer. Oops, I should not put this in here. Oh. Okay, that's 3. Okay. I like this.
What do you like about it, Bi-Neh?
It just looks all crumbled. So now we are going to take our eggs and we're going to add 2 at a time. Let's see if I can do this.
So we went ahead and cracked those eggs, which were at room temperature. Bi-Neh, if you start, you don't even have to do that. They just roll out 1 at a time.
Okay.
And
now
so
we have to mix it.
You're gonna mix 2 at a time? Yeah. Great. There you go, 1 and 2. Awesome. There you go. Ta-da! So your next step, Bi-Neh, is your sour cream, right? So about a cup.
It's not working.
Well, you can use a spoon to add to it, right? Interesting. So 8 ounces is half of 16. 16 is a pound. There you go. So you've got your 1 cup of sour cream.
Sour cream. Oh, that's a lot.
So now we know if you get that 8-ounce container of your sour cream, it's equivalent to
1 cup.
1 cup. Awesome.
So now I'm going to add my 1 teaspoon of regular vanilla. Oops, okay, that should be enough.
Yeah, you got a little more than a teaspoon. Good thing is we love vanilla, so we're okay with that.
It smells good, but it tastes bad. Unless it's in a cake.
Exactly. You don't want to, drink a bottle of vanilla extract. Yeah, that's not good. All right, so let's give it a mix. And you want everyone, before you start, to remember to do what, Bi-Neh?
You have to scrape the sides each time after you mix so you can get all the batter and it can be
So you can mix
yummy.
everything, yeah. Otherwise, you'll have some unmixed stuff at the bottom and on the sides.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
So now we are going to add our cornstarch, baking soda, and salt to our flour. So here's our cornstarch.
That was 3 cups of all-purpose flour, right?
You mean, yeah, yeah, 3. Oh, yeah. Now our baking soda. Get it ready. Okay. Now here's our baking soda.
1 teaspoon.
Yeah. And
3/4 of your salt, because we're not using kosher. So read Bremen, who's the pioneer woman,
okay, found it.
specified. So she specified if you're not using kosher, you want to use 3/4 of your salt. So you have a 1/4 there. You'll do it 3 times. Careful. That's good. That's good.
Salt comes from
So second. So put the 3/4. Salt comes from the sea. Sea salt.
Oh wow.
All right. That's good. Okay. Indra la tata. Good morning.
Okay. Now we have to mix it.
Yep. And mix that up.
Mixy. Next step is to scoop some amount of this
Flour mix.
mixture into the sugar and egg.
So can you tell us again what you have in there?
Cornstarch, salt, baking soda, and flour.
Awesome. So let's do that. I can help you scoop if you want to go ahead and mix. So we'll keep it at low. Yeah. Bi-Neh, we have our last bit in here, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. And so now the idea is to get it in our pan. And we've already preheated the oven, right, Bi-Neh?
Yeah.
What'd you preheat it to?
350.
Okay.
I really just like seeing the designs that the mixer makes in the batter.
Let's check out those designs. Yeah, that's cute. Pretty cool. We just don't want to overmix, remember? There you go.
Now we put our batter in the pan.
All right, so use your spatula. Turn it all in there.
I hope this isn't heavy.
Bi-Neh, I'm so glad I'm here for you. I just love the way that batter looks. You know it's gonna be good.
Now I'm going to smooth the cake batter out.
Okay, so that looks really good. Now we're gonna put it in our oven for
50.
For how long?
I don't know.
Can you check your recipe, honey? Tata!
So we are going to put our cake in for either 20 to 30 minutes but we're going to check for every 15 minutes because our cake pan is small.
And you know it's ready when the toothpick comes out?
Yes, clean.
Clean. Awesome. All right, there it goes. I think this is it, Bi-Neh.
This is really good.
Bi-Neh, it's like a vanilla cake.
It's really moist too. Didn't we put the sour cream in here?
Yeah, there's sour cream in there. Makes it pretty moist. And
the raspberries and blueberries I really like the raspberry taste.
yeah, it was such a pretty cake. So we want to thank all our service members in our military who have served our great country. And we want to honor the fallen this Memorial Day weekend. And happy Memorial Day to everyone out there.
I hope you like my video. Yes, you do. Subscribe. Share it, share it, share it.